Hi, this is Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. And I was asked this question a little while ago. How come emails from a specific email address are still going to spam, even though that email address was marked as not spam before? I'm going to show you what you can do in Google Workspace. It should solve that problem. But before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create this content all for you. So it happens on a regular basis. You get email messages and for whatever reason, they show up in your spam folder and you wonder why do they show up in your spam folder. And sometimes it's appropriate for them to be marked as spam because the Google algorithms did a great job. Sometimes they're not the right messages to go to spam. Example, any email I get from Teddy Burris, right here, you can see the email address is tlburris@burrisconsulting.com. I don't want that to be spam. Now I can mark it as not spam, but what that's doing is marking this message, not the email address. All that does, again, is mark the message as not spam and pushes it back into the inbox or wherever it came from. But if you want to make sure in the future no emails from Teddy Burris or whatever email address you want to pay attention to does not go to spam, you have to create a filter. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I want to filter messages like this. Now I can go up right here and I can hit this filter button right here and I can start it from scratch. Or I can go over here to the three dots and I can go filter messages like this. And it's going to, when you do that, it's going to look at the email address, say from tlburris@burrisconsulting.com. Well, what do I want to do with this? Well, if I create a filter, you'll see in the filter, I can right here and say, never send it to spam. Now, this is very clearly saying all emails from tlburris@burrisconsulting.com never go to spam. Now, they'll go wherever they should go in the inbox or in one of the category boxes. But by doing that and hitting create filter, any email we get from Teddy Burris now, I have to unmark this one, any email that comes in from Teddy Burris or TL Burris at Burris Consulting will never go to spam. Again, you got to create a filter. The easiest way to do it is from the three dots right here. Go up here and say filter messages like this, hit create filter, and populate it with whatever you want. Ideally, in this context, never send it to spam. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.